Millions around the world live with the daily challenges of diabetes, managing blood sugar levels, medication, and lifestyle changes. It's a constant battle. But what if a cure was within reach? Is it fact or fiction? Welcome to our channel, InnoTrends Fact or Fiction. Today, we have some groundbreaking news in the world of medical science. New research offers a reason to be hopeful. Diabetes occurs when the pancreas doesn't produce enough insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar. In type 1 diabetes, the body's immune system attacks and destroys insulin-producing beta cells. In type 2, the body becomes insulin-resistant. Over time, the pancreas may also stop producing enough. Researchers at Mount Sinai and City of Hope have made a groundbreaking discovery. In a study published in Science Translational Medicine, they used a combination of two drugs to successfully regenerate beta cell mass in mice with diabetes. The first drug, Harmine, is a natural molecule found in some plants. It blocks a specific enzyme that hinders beta cell growth. The second, Exendin 4, is a type of drug already used to treat diabetes. It works by mimicking a hormone that stimulates insulin release and protects beta cells. The combination of Harmine and Exendin 4 had a threefold effect. It stimulated the growth of new beta cells, enhanced the function of existing beta cells, and even protected them from damage. The results were remarkable. Mice treated with the drug combination experienced a significant reduction in blood sugar levels, effectively reversing their diabetes. While this research is still in its early stages and human trials are needed, it offers tremendous hope for the future of diabetes treatment. This breakthrough suggests that a cure for diabetes may be closer than we think, potentially freeing millions from the burden of this chronic disease. This video is an excerpt from the information posted on BGR.com, titled, "Breakthrough Diabetes Cure Might Restore Insulin Production and Reverse Illness," by Chris Smith, published on July 16, 2024, whose link we left in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please share, click the like button, and subscribe for more videos on the cutting edge of healthcare innovation.